Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. How to create multiple streams of income to achieve financial freedom. So make sure to watch the full video. Introduction. What is passive income? Passive income includes regular earnings from a source other than an employer or contractor. The Internal Revenue Service, IRS, says passive income can come from two sources: rental property or a business in which one does not actively participate, such as being paid book royalties or stock dividends. Many people think that passive income is about getting something for nothing, says financial coach and retired hedge fund manager Todd Trezitter. It has a get-rich-quick appeal, but in the end, it still involves work. You just give the work up front. In practice, you may do some or all of the work up front, but passive income often involves some additional labor along the way too. You may have to keep your product updated or your rental property well maintained to keep the passive dollars flowing. But if you're committed to the strategy, it can be a great way to generate income, and you'll create some extra financial security for yourself along the way. Passive income is not your job. Generally, passive income is not income that comes from something you've been materially involved in, such as the wages you earn from a job. A second job? Getting a second job isn't going to qualify as a passive income stream because you'll still need to show up and do the work to get paid. Passive income is about creating a consistent stream of income without you having to do a lot of work to get it. Non-income producing assets. Investing can be a great way to generate passive income, but only if the assets you own pay dividends or interest. Non-dividend paying stocks or assets like cryptocurrencies may be exciting, but they won't earn you passive income. Passive income has become a buzzword in recent years, and for good reason. It's a way to earn money without the need for a traditional job or ongoing effort. Passive income can be a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. In this blog post, we'll explore 10 passive income ideas for building wealth. 10 rental properties. Investing in rental properties is a classic way to generate passive income. By purchasing a property and renting it out, you can earn rental income each month without having to actively work for it. While being a landlord does require some initial effort, such as finding a property and managing tenants, it can ultimately provide a reliable source of passive income. When investing in rental properties, it's important to consider the location and the demand for rental properties in that area. You'll also need to decide whether to manage the property yourself or hire a property management company to handle the day-to-day operations. 9 dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are stocks that pay out a portion of their earnings to shareholders. By investing in dividend stocks, you can earn regular income without having to sell the shares. This is a popular way to build passive income because it allows you to generate income from your investments without having to sell them, and the income can grow over time as companies increase their dividends. When investing in dividend stocks, it's important to consider the company's financial health and track record of paying dividends. It's also important to diversify your portfolio to reduce risk. 8 peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is a form of lending where individuals lend money to others through an online platform. By participating in peer-to-peer lending, you can earn interest on the loans you make. This can be a good way to generate passive income, especially if you have a lot of capital to invest. When participating in peer-to-peer lending, it's important to understand the risks involved. There is a chance that borrowers may default on their loans, so it's important to diversify your portfolio and invest in a variety of loans with different risk levels. 7 high-yield savings accounts. While traditional savings accounts typically offer low interest rates, high-yield savings accounts can provide higher returns. These accounts typically require a higher minimum balance, but they can offer a reliable source of passive income with minimal effort required. When opening a high-yield savings account, it's important to shop around for the best rates and fees. It's also important to understand any restrictions on withdrawals and the potential impact of inflation on your earnings. 6 real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding is a way to invest in real estate without having to purchase a property outright. By participating in a real estate crowdfunding platform, you can invest in a property with other investors and earn a portion of the rental income or profits from the sale of the property. When investing in real estate crowdfunding, it's important to understand the fees involved and the risks associated with investing in real estate. It's also important to consider the track record of the crowdfunding platform and the properties available for investment. 5. Create an online course. Creating an online course is a great way to generate passive income while sharing your expertise. By creating an online course and selling it on a platform like Udemy or Coursera, you can earn income each time someone purchases your course. When creating an online course, it's important to choose a topic that you're passionate about and that has a market demand. It's also important to create high-quality content and market your course effectively to reach your target audience. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn passive income by promoting other people's products or services. By promoting products through affiliate links on your website or social media, you can earn a commission each time someone purchases through your link. When participating in affiliate marketing, it's important to choose products and services that align with your audience and your brand. It's also important to disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience and provide genuine recommendations for products or services that you truly believe in. 3. Create a mobile app. Creating a mobile app can be a lucrative way to generate passive income. By creating an app and monetizing it through advertising or in-app purchases, you can earn income each time someone uses your app. When creating a mobile app, it's important to choose a niche and create an app that provides value to your target audience. It's also important to understand the costs involved in app development and the potential revenue streams available. 2. Create a digital product. Creating a digital product, such as an ebook, a course, or a membership site, can be a great way to generate passive income. By creating a product once and selling it multiple times, you can earn income without having to actively work on the product. When creating a digital product, it's important to choose a topic that you're passionate about and that has a market demand. It's also important to create high-quality content and market your product effectively to reach your target audience. 1. Invest in a business. Investing in a business can be a way to generate passive income while supporting a growing company. By investing in a business, you can earn a return on your investment without having to actively work in the business. When investing in a business, it's important to conduct due diligence and understand the potential risks and rewards of the investment. It's also important to work with a reputable business broker or investment firm to ensure that your investment is sound. In conclusion, passive income can be a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. By exploring these 10 passive income ideas, you can find a strategy that works for you and start generating passive income today. However, it's important to remember that passive income does require some initial effort, and it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. With patience, persistence, and a smart investment strategy, you can build a reliable source of passive income and achieve your financial goals. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.